Hello.
Hey, Beverly, what's going on?
What are you up to?
Well, just getting ready to paint. Well, we'll primer it first, then we'll paint it. So we went ahead and repaired a lot of spots. Any place you see the gray,
Yep.
the lighter gray has all been done in primer. This lighter gray up here, which primered over, is redid the seam sealer. And I'm just going to paint up to these lines here when I paint it. Well, I might just, who knows, I'll just grade over. But this is all supposed to be black anyway.
Uh-huh.
And I don't know if you can see it, but in this convertible Thunderbird, it was all painted in black. But for some reason, when Ford did this one, they just went whoosh, 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 and they didn't really fill the black in.
Oh yeah, I see. On this one, it's...
Someone painted blue on that one, but it was meant to be flat black. And that's to hide the mechanism, the windshield wiper mechanisms.
I see.
Other than that, brake, all the brake stuff is out. The equalizer valve's out. You'll know this already. The steering box has been taken out, and I'm just going to paint kind of the way that Ford did originally. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time painting the bottom part of the frame. It's just going to be the upper part where the cables and all go. But it's all taped off. We'll be painting in behind the headlight buckets.
Okay. Oh, wait, I can't get any.
Here.
There's no light there.
And the rad support needs to be painted the color. So the inside the rad support needs to be painted the same color.
Okay.
Not going to worry again down too much low because I'm just going to give that with some semi-gloss black.
Good.
Alrighty,
Thanks.
Let's get at her.
Thanks for the update.
You're welcome. What you doing, Beverly?
I'm gonna prime it.
Coat of primer. All right. Let me just do a little quick buy. We got her all taped up. We wiped her down with alcohol and Windex, or glass cleaner rather. And she's clean as a whistle. And Beverly's going to hit it with a coat of primer. We're just using a Dominion Shore Seal 3-in-1 gray primer. Went over all the bare metal with etch primer. So she's going to give it a light coat with the 3-in-1. So, okay. You go hit it, Beverly, and I'll get a mask on.
I couldn't just get you that. Brake panel.
Don't worry about the brake lines.
We haven't been hit the thing.
The thing.
This, whatever this is. We touch against it, you know?
Yeah.
So you can't get under them, so as soon as you let go, it snaps back on.
Well, I ain't pushing this, I'll touch it up after.
Oh yeah, once it looks so easy, good, eh?
Nothing, it was pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you wouldn't want to paint the car with that.
No.
You'll go off another can.
Yeah. Take this off now.
Yeah,
And that fan pulls the air out good.
yeah.
That's good. You hardly a whiff of it in here right now. All right, let's get ready for paint. That's quite a bit of paint. Hopefully we won't run out. If we do, well, that didn't work so well, did it?
Oh, kind of leaked out the edge.
Yeah. All right, so we got hardener right here. Right here is hardener,
Yep.
and it's 1 part hardener. 411, so I need up to 3 on the hardener. There's the hardener, and now we need reducer. That's a lot of paint, so we should be able to do all this with what? That's
Yeah.
more paint than I thought was going to mix, but anyway.
We should have had the... I could go out and clean up the hood.
No. Well, we're going to have to do 2 coats, right? So.
True. Okay.
Ready?
That's it.
Oh. Right? Yeah, it's good. Alright. That's the paint, man. So watch yourself on the screen. Right over here, look.
What?
And not on full because they burn it.
Yeah.
Alright. Looking good. Alright, I'm in the way here. Well, alright, so let that stiffen up and see if it needs a second coat. That stuff covers good.
Looks good.
I think it's one coat probably all it needs.
Let's see.
We'll see when it hardens up a bit.
Yeah. Oh, it looks really good. It's gonna look great. Really good.
Well, here we are. She's all painted up, looking good. Well, you can't see much of it right now, but you did see a shot of it. So I need to get the power steering box back in. I need to get the firewall painted first before I do that. And what else do I need to do here? Put the engine back in. I'm waiting for an engine mount. So hopefully I get that pretty quick. And before I put the brake booster and everything back on, I want to put the engine back in because it's a lot easier to get at the bolts and stuff there. But right now, we'll get the harnesses all cleaned up and get those back in place. And they'll be out of the way as much as we can without the engine in there. And there's some power speedometer cables, there's vacuum hoses, everything has to be reattached. Power steering lines. All right, I'm going to continue on with this and just using some super clean and going over the old harnesses a little bit. I'm almost at a super clean, so I'm going to have to make it a little run maybe. And I'm just going to clean them up and the best I can. And we'll go from there. Oh, sweating. So I've got some long bolts in for now because I want to check the torque converter. So first I want to put the mounts in, and then I'll put it up on the hoist and make sure the torque converter is lined up with the flex plate. Then I'll start changing it out with the shorter bolts. But for now, she's made it to the transmission, just not pulled together. Went pretty good for being alone. It's not great. I mean, you're a lot of moving around. It is what it is when you're putting engines in by yourself. Many people have done it. I'm not unique. All right, so I'll get the mounts in and go from there. The Nardo Gray. Like it or hate it, that's what it's going to be from now on. So I'm going to continue on with getting the engine back up and running. That means installing the rad and all the accessories on it, power steering, alternator, that kind of thing. And then be moving on to get the rest of the body done. And it's going to be Nardo Gray as well. All right, everyone. I hope you like it. And if you don't, well, I guess I don't know what to tell you. It is what it is. So we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.